In this tip, I'm going to show you how to label both the inside and the outside of a bar chart. As an example, I have a bar chart here of sales by region. On the end of the bar, I have the value, and on the inside of the bar on the left, I have the name of the region. So how do we build that? First, let's build our bar chart of sales by region. From here, I'm going to double click my column shelf and type in the average of 0. This is now just going to give me a bar chart at 0. On the All Marks card, I'm going to change the mark type from automatic to a bar. I'm then going to click on the average of 0 field on the columns, choose dual axis, right click on the axis at the top, and choose synchronize. I'm going to go to my All Marks card and remove measure names from the color. On my Sum of Sales shelf, I'm going to click on the label shelf and then choose Show Mark Labels. On the average of 0, I'm going to drag region onto the labels. And now you can see we have our labels for our regions inside the left-hand side of the bar. I'm going to go ahead and change the format to be white so we can see the text a bit better. Now I'm going to go ahead and hide the header for my columns, and I'm going to hide the header for my rows. After a bit of formatting to get rid of the grid lines, etc., you're all done. Hope you found that useful. Have a great day.